Thirsty Thursday, the first day of the second half of the working week. And my name is Crypto Million. Every day I talk about crypto. Today we're going to be talking about Jasmy, but I want to talk about what's going on in the market specifically as we are seeing a bit of correction. More pain, more pain. I believe the fear and greed index is going up. And it's important to note that crypto is a long-term game, right? Unless you're just playing with meme coins, right? So in today's video, we're going to be talking about a utility token called Jasmy. If you like Jasmy videos, make sure that you like and subscribe. But we did get the CPI data that came in year over year. It was above expectations, but month over month, we got slaughtered again, right? So the market is working to price this in. We've been getting bad job data. It looks like the Fed won't have to cut rates at an alarming, rate at this point, because it seems like the economy is still strong and inflation is still sticky, right? So this is something that's been like a thorn in our buttocks, right? When working to finally shake off and get this Q4 next leg up started, right? So we'll look over a few charts. But unfortunately this month has started off a little bit rocky, right? But the month isn't over, and I want to show you guys a few things that we need to happen for this month to really get started, right? And there also is some bear hopium, so if you don't like the bear hopium, click off the video. All right, so we look at things from both spectrums. Jasmy specifically, and I think Jasmy just dropped some Junction news, right? Early disclosure of Junction. So I believe that you can now like connect your wallet and start doing whatever within the ecosystem, right? I haven't specifically went to Junction. I just was doing my research and I seen this post here. So guys, if you have used this, let me know. I haven't used it, so I don't want to speak too much on it, right? I want to solely focus on what's going on within chart action, because a lot of people have been asking me about the Jasmy price. First and foremost, you can see we're getting more sales than buys. So people are offloading their bags. I would assume those are people that bought down here that's looking to take profits because they believe something is coming, right? Maybe they believe we are in a recession, or maybe believe inflation is coming back, or maybe they just needed to make a decision that's best for them. Guys, you can't just expect everybody to just hold. People got to make decisions that's best for them. In the midst of that, Jasmy is still sitting at a $917 million market cap. We know the strength of the utility and the use case, right? I've talked about it before. There's many videos out about it. Go watch the video. But I want to focus on our indicators here and what I see specifically with Jasmy. First and foremost, the first thing that stands out to me is this head and shoulders pattern. This is what we talked about in the last video. I said how dangerous this pattern could be. You can see head, shoulder, shoulder. There is a good chance that this plays out because all of our indicators are bearish. The price is below the VWAP. The RSI is below 50. The stock RSI is heading to oversold levels, but trending down, so negative momentum. And the MACD is showing no sign of life. So with that being said, there is a good chance that we do break inside our golden pocket here and go to retest the 786, which is about a penny and a half to 1.2. But we really need to hold a penny and a half, right? Because this is our main structure. To put that into perspective, I actually got it circled here on this chart. You can see this structure here. We need to hold this. If we drop below about 1.2, things could get ugly. Things could get ugly, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys. There's a good chance that Jasmy can go maybe to 0.009 right under. I don't think it goes back down here, right? But I think if it does not hold this structure here, we can come back to retest the top of this massive green candle here, which is about 1 penny, right? 1 penny, maybe a penny and a half, right? Which could look like that. What we need Jasmy to do is to break outside of this trend and hold the support here that we have about 1.7. So we really need to hold 1.7. Now, what scares me is how the market may react to the CPI data. The hopium here is that the total 3, which is the altcoin, this covers the Jasmy portion because Jasmy is up there $1 billion market cap. But the hopium here is that this candle that's coming to retest our trend line bounces off this trend line and goes back up. Maybe Friday and Saturday we really get those days that we need. We did print a green dot here, but it's not confirmed yet because you need to see that the lines cross here and go up, right? Kind of like, and start to put in like this blue mass right here that you're seeing. So this green dot here is not confirmed, right? Many would front run this as an opportunity to say, hey, this is the start of the next leg up, but it's not confirmed. And the reason, in my opinion, why it's not confirmed is because of Bitcoin. You can see here on the weekly, Bitcoin has came back inside this structure, guys. And this is just not good, right? The weekly candle is back inside this structure. We had a confirmation candle above it, but now we're back in it. And we need to be above this structure, because if Bitcoin comes back and prints this weekly candle back in this structure, it's a good time. It's a good chance that it comes to retest the bottom of the structure here, which is around 54K to 50K range, right? So we need this Bitcoin weekly candle to get back above our trend that everybody thought we broke, but apparently we did it, right? So this is the type of mind games crypto plays with you, right? The thing is, people want the bull run to happen so bad, right? They're just forcing it, right? And it's just not going to happen like that. It's going to happen on its own. So I made that video yesterday, say when crypto is going to pump, when it's ready to pump. You know what I mean? So again, guys, you got to go put your portfolio together. Don't rely on Millie, on any other YouTuber. And this is the way I think about it. Since I game, I like buying gaming tokens. Since I use AI daily, I gravitate to AI, right? If I'm utilizing the ecosystem, if I'm always on Solana, maybe I put a little Solana. If I'm always on Sui, whatever, right? You know what I mean? But you got to build your portfolio the way that you need to build it. Join the Discord. Salute to my boy AOKG, because he made a great point in the Discord. He was just explaining, what he looks for into putting his portfolio. And that's how you guys need to do the same, right? Stop relying on YouTube videos to build your portfolio. Like, do the dirty work. Do the research. You're not at your job all day. So when you're not at your job, take a little hour. Don't take much time. And the funny thing is, back in the day, you know what I mean? Back in the day, right? Because now I'm an OG in crypto. Like, when people used to drop these new projects, right? If you didn't have a roadmap, right? Nobody took your project serious. These days, these kids, these degenerates, they don't even read roadmaps no more. So you ain't really got to do that much research, right? You just got to look into what you say. Okay, I can understand that. Something that I'm gravitating to. My energy feels this token. Let me go ahead and take a whiff at it. Or if you're a person that just stares at the charts, oh, this is a great trade. This is oversold. This could be a great opportunity. Let me take advantage of the next leg up. So figure out what type of trader you are, right? And that's what I always say. But yeah, this could get ugly if Bitcoin weekly candle closes back in this pattern. That's just the end of it, right? Stock market is at all-time highs. Inflation is sticky, and the job market is stronger, which shows the economy is stronger. So we're definitely all over the place. I think the catalyst here is the election. And the options that could be on the way for Bitcoin. But outside of that, we're all over the place. Crypto Twitter is toxic right now, and I don't know. I might have to take the rest of the week off or something, man. I think I'm gonna take the rest of the week off and kind of like get away from the crypto charts. I might just do that. So if y'all guys don't see another video from me for the rest of the week, that's what happened, right? I took the weekend off. So that's my take on Jasmy. Bitcoin needs to close this weekly candle above this trend line, this green trend line that you see. If not, it could get ugly. The total 3 needs to hold this trend line. If not, it could get ugly for altcoins. And Jasmy just looks like it needs to find a way to break out of this head and shoulders pattern, right? It needs to break out of this head and shoulders pattern. Outside of that, it is what it is. Yeah, that's all I got for you guys. I'll see you in the next one.